So here we have taken a old plastic bottle, we have cut it into the center portion, and we are going to attach a foil paper, and we have made the face of the bear panda using molded clay. Attach 4 molded long pieces to make its hands and feet. Paint it with white color. Firstly apply a layer of gesso and then give some more details with black, and our beautiful planter is ready. Now for the next one, here we have taken an old plastic sheet, cut it into the shape of the butterflies. Take molded clay and attach it in this shape on its sides and the insect. Now paint it with black paint and using golden dust give some design on like this, and this is also ready. For the next one, here we have taken a phone adapter. We have attached molded clay and feet with molded clay only. Paint it with yellow acrylic paint. Make its clothes with blue, eyes with white. All the features that minions have, painted like that, like this. Paint the feet with black. This is ready. Now for the last one, here we have taken molded clay. We are going to make a clay rabbit like this. Make the head, pointed face of the head like this. Now take a little clay and make cylinder shape for the body. Attach it like this. Take a little clay and make ears. Like this, we are going to make its ears. Using toothpick, make a line in the center. Attach it like this. Make feet by pinching one corner of the clay. Attach it with the body like this. Bend the clay to make its arms. And attach it with the body. Using toothpick, make eyes. Now we are going to paint the whole body with white. Let it dry. After drying, we are going to make other features like eyes, nose and lips. Make inner ears with pink shade. And this is also ready. So thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.